until we find one in the middle of nowhere, I'll just walk you through how I do them very quickly. So we have an overpass, we have a dirt road, relatively arid, lots of Coke signs, lots of purple. Well, I guess this is northern Mexico from these things. Could be Brazil though. Well, I guess we're somewhere in this neighborhood. 500 kilometers, not so bad. Alright, let's see. This one doesn't look quite middle of nowhere enough to me. There's signs and things. So let's see, we have something that's in English with chevrons. I'm going to say South Africa or Australia. Let's just say it's somewhere in Western Australia. No, it was in Australia at least. Alright, let's see. Here we've got lots of cedar trees, relatively well-built homes, large truck, definitely United States. American flag there just in case you were missing. Any context clues? However, this could be anywhere in the United States. The construction's newer, so I'm going to guess it's Midwestern. But with these kinds of trees, Midwestern. And I'm going to put us down here towards Georgia. Yeah, not bad at all. Alright, here we go, middle of nowhere. Definite middle of nowhere. Alright, well, kind of middle of nowhere. In the end, there's still pine trees. It's still pretty clearly the United States, so maybe not middle of nowhere enough for our bets here. But certainly not easy enough to read signs. So let's talk about how we do this one. We've got corn. We have this intersection here, which is a paved road to dirt road. A political sign and other signs we can't read. Road signs we can't see. And as far as the eye can tell, nothing else of interest. So my first goal is going to be to try to find another intersection. So the general strategy with middle of nowhere is, of course, find some kind of sign that you can read, but sometimes the older pictures don't work that way. So I notice we have relatively stout trees, so if we are in the Midwest, we're probably towards the south. They also have some pine in there, so we're not too far south. Still growing corn, relatively flat. The road is well maintained. With the number of pine, I'm inclined to think we're actually maybe in Nebraska. I'm not going to lie. And the small, gentle rolling hill like this. Well, since I'm not seeing any signs quickly, let's just choose Western Nebraska, see how close I am. Okay, not bad, not bad. Alright, let's try this one again. We have things in Russian. Lots of things in Russian. And it basically looks like the Soviet Union, with some convective clouds though. And so I'm going to put us towards the form of I'm going to put us down here in the peninsula actually. Alright, not so bad. So that's 5 quick ones. I mean, it's not great. You can see, there's some pretty big errors, but it helps when you're in a familiarish area over here. That's one way to do it, like when you're going quickly.